Hi everyone, today I'm going to review my BMW M6 competition. We're gonna do drive around when we come back. So before I come back, make sure you click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, this is my BMW M6 competition. I bought it like 2 weeks ago and I'm really excited to show you guys the newest member of the EJ's garage. The cool thing about this car, it has the 4.4 liter twin turbo engine. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, this is like the engine that produces like 575 horsepower. The thing is, with the BMW M6 base, the car only produces like 560 horsepower. But this one, when you add the $7,300 more, you got the competition package that include, you know, like performance package, 20-inch wheel staggered, and it's really amazing. Like, look, show them, Brad. We got like a nice big caliper brakes, and then it's just amazing. And you can't mistakenly, you know, see this car as a regular 6 Series because of the M badge. This car has been a really fun car, and this is the F12 model, which is the convertible part. I was looking at the Grand Coupe, whatever you call it, but this is really nice. And you're probably wondering, you know, like, oh, how comfy it is. For small people like me, actually it's pretty good. And everything about this car is just plus luxury, real leather. And the back seat actually is pretty roomy for adult. We have a bunch of stuff here. We're gonna look at this. Yeah, you can actually put adult in the back with. Check this out. Yeah, the wheels are all 20-inch staggered, and this car is so fast. It's like I can see like bug getting squashed on the bumper. It's like, it's crazy when I drive on the freeway. Yeah, this is like my new collection, and look at this. It's like, it's a lot more complex than my Jaguar XJR with all the computer, and it's just, this whole seating position is really sporty, and I'm just loving it. And the carbon fiber, what do you call it, console right here, and this whole entire car feels like amazing. And the cool thing about this car is like, it has that 4 missile silos that produces like pretty nice sound. And let's check this out. It's like, this car you can drive it really slow, as well as if you need the power to, you know, surprise anyone on the road. It's just amazing. Like, it's really great cruiser if you want to cruise around, and then if you want to have a little bit fun, this car can actually do that. And I like the thing about this car, if you watch my how to change the engine oil, actually it's pretty simple. And when I look at this car, show them, Brana, it's interesting how BMW hides the brake cylinder. It's right here. Come here, Brana, show them. I was looking around, how in the world am I supposed to bleed the brake? And BMW hide it underneath there. See that? That's where the brake cylinder reservoir right there. So you have to pop this thing, and I'm gonna do videos on how to do it. This is the 2 air box right here. So yeah, it's an amazing car. So yeah, it's this car actually fun car with a lot of power. So anyway, let's check it out and drive it around. Hi everyone, now we're driving around in the BMW M6. It's really nice because the fall color is really, I really enjoy driving this thing with the top down. And then the cool thing about driving this car in the fall, it's getting very cold here in Virginia. It's colder, and we have to turn on the butt warmer, seat warmer. Yeah, it's really nice, as you can see. I'm not sure if you can hear me. This car actually very settled, not like my C6 Corvette. In my C6 Corvette, I couldn't even talk, and you wouldn't be able to hear me. But with this BMW M6, you can actually hear me talk. This car is just amazing. And then with the fall color, it's just amazing car to drive. It's very comfortable. So if you are looking for a car that, you know, you can bring your family in, and at the same time you want a sportiness, this BMW M6 is like the best. I'm just like, oh, I just love this car. It's super fast. And the thing is about this BMW M6, when you want to drive it slow, like right now, cruising the neighborhood at 25 miles per hour, the car will, you know, drive just fine. It's not like doing all kinds of weird stuff. And I'm really excited when I was able to get this, because the thing is, there are so many base model when I was shopping for this, but to find the one with the competition package is really hard, because people have to shell another 7,300. And then I think a lot of people, they put the executive package, which costs around 4,300 to 4,500, something like that, in that price range. So if you buy the base model and you want to add the executive model, you have to add another like 4,300 or 4,500. Then to add the competition package, which will give you another 15 horsepower, you will get around 575 horsepower. And it's crazy fast, guys. And according to BMW, this car actually produces around like 630 horsepower. That's just insane. I had a Porsche Cayenne Turbo, twin turbo, that produced like 500 horsepower, and that was fast. But this one is dangerously fast. And right now I'm just cruising around the neighborhood to show you guys how beautiful the fall season here. And I'm really happy. The only thing about this car that I don't like is compared to the Porsche, it's harder on me for a long distance drive, right? Yeah, because if you want to drive for a long distance, you know, like family travel, the Porsche Cayenne was a better choice. You can feel every bump. It's just like the Corvette, okay? If you buy a sports car, you can't complain about it. You know what you're getting into. The suspension is pretty stiff, and it has this is the comfort mode that I always put the car at, you know. You can put like sports mode, which will stiffen the suspension right, and it's gonna be really hard and really harsh, and I don't like that one. the comfort mode is actually very tolerable for a long distance drive, and I'm really happy with it. So, and house maintenance wise, you're probably wondering, right? For the oil change, if you watch my oil change video, if you do DIY, it costs you around like $80 to $150. That's just for parts and materials, okay? And then if you take it to the dealership, expect the dealership will charge you around like $450 to $500 to do an oil change on this car. And it's not that hard, believe me. Just watch my oil change video on this car. It took me only like what, 30 minutes. It's less than an hour if you do it without talking, because the thing is, when I do YouTube video, I have to talk, so it took me longer, you know, to do it. But anyway, if you do it without talking, it'll be a lot faster to do it. And look at this, it's just such a nice car, and people are just looking at it left and right. It's just such, it is such an attention getter from people all around us, and it's really neat when you drive this thing. And it's pretty civilized car, you know. You can go crazy with it, or you can just drive slow with it. But right now I just want to cruise around the neighborhood. And now we're back to base, you know. Now we're gonna bring the car up. And the cool thing about this car, it has a really nice parking assistance, and I can go up with the camera, and this parking assist is really neat. I'm gonna show it to you right now. And then yeah, this is really neat. So yeah, I'm really excited. Look at that. It's showing me where to go. Do you see that? Look, I'm just gonna show it to you guys. This is just amazing. This thing just this is so cool. There you go. So you see that? So anyway, yeah, this is why I love this BMW M6. It's just such a nice car. So yeah, if you are wondering whether you want to buy it or not, this is like the perfect car, you know. You can enjoy it as a sports car as well as a family car. And look at this. I was a little bit intimidated when I bought this, because look at this. Look, all the buttons right here. Show them down a bit. All this everything here is controlled by this menu down here, you know. Like, it's like, hold on, if I want to control the radio, telephone, multimedia, Bluetooth, everything is controlled with this control menu down here. And unlike the Jaguar, this car is like so complicated when I first saw it. In fact, I had to ask Carvana guy, the delivery guy, hey, how do I drive this car? So he was nice enough to teach me. So this is how you do it. Show them, Brenda. To drive, you flick it that way, and look at the console right here. It says drive right there, right? Then if you want to use the, you know, manual, you just do it like this. Flick it another one. Look at that. And you just use the pedal right here, control to switch the gear. So yeah, it's pretty neat. And then if you want to go reverse, show them, Brenda. You want to go show them down a little bit more, down like that, and then you bring it up. See that? Now it's reverse. And the thing about this car is, when it is in neutral and you are in an incline, make sure you put the parking brake, which is right here. So otherwise, you open the door and your car will go forward. Like, I don't want my car to go forward. But anyway, yeah, this is the most exciting car that I've ever owned. Okay, it's been my dream car. I've been wanting it since I was 27, and finally now in my 40s I'm able to buy this car. So yeah, I'm really excited, guys. So anyway, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you again for watching, and love you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Anyway, love you guys. Bye.